Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete blockchain account. First you just need to open your blockchain application. Now from here you just need to enter the PIN code that you have set for your account. Now after that, if you want to delete it permanently, then you can just tap on this profile icon, this man icon actually at the top left corner. Now here you'll find the settings tab where you just need to scroll all the way down and you will find delete account. Now tap on delete account and tap on this delete account button again to confirm that deletion process. Now make sure that you have read all of this caution from here, that you are conscious about the deletion of your account. Now tap on delete account. Now you have to write delete my accounts to confirm that you are conscious about the deletion process of your account. Now tap on delete account again. Now here you can see it has just deleted that account on actually this blockchain application. So that's how you can just permanently delete your blockchain account. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.